Hello, everybody. It's Coach Julio. So I want to show you a couple of slides for my upcoming presentation for Massachusetts Council on Aging. I'm really excited to be doing this. It's this week, and the title of my presentation is New Perspective on Senior Fitness, Chronological versus Physiological Age. I will be sharing some concepts, some terms, and of course my SPARTA method. But here's one term that you may or may not be familiar with, which I want to share with you, and that's functional ability. And I'm going to read to you what you see on your screen. Functional ability, i.e. the health-related attributes that enable people to be active and do what they have reason to value, which is determined by intrinsic capacity, i.e. the composite of all the physical and mental capacities of an individual, the environment, i.e. all the factors in the intrinsic world that form the context of an individual's life, and the interaction between the two. So you may say, I kind of get it, but let me give you a perfect example of what functional ability is. An example of functional ability is this from one of my class members. Julio, I have so much to be thankful because of your class. The time spent on balance enables me to close my eyes and enjoy the shower and shampoo. Yay, Julio, Marilyn C., age 84. So I know you can identify or you understand where she's coming from. That's a perfect example of functional ability. Is the reason why I do what I do in training older adults and just training in general. I'm really excited to be doing this presentation because the main goal for all of us hopefully is healthy aging. That is developing and maintaining the functional ability, what you call functional ability, that enables well-being in older age. And if you wish, why don't you share a few examples of functional ability, post in the comments. Thank you for your time and have a great day.